Hello everyone, welcome back to Culinary Crossroads. Today we are going to make red lasagna. It's a delightful twist on the classic lasagna recipe and it is truly scrumptious and comforting. I can't wait to show you how to make it step by step, so let's get started. First, remove the crust from each slice of bread. Using a rolling pin, flatten the slices. To a thickness of about 1/4 to half an inch. Make all the bread sheets like this. And set aside. Don't throw the sides of bread away. You can use side crusts to make breadcrumbs. In a pan, heat olive oil over medium heat. Add garlic paste, saute till light golden brown, and then add seasoning of your choice. I'm using Italian seasoning here, some allspice powder or garam masala powder. Add chopped spinach. Saute until the spinach dries but still has some moisture in it. Season with salt and pepper. The herbs and spices gives a delightful flavor to spinach and it gels really well with creamy layers of lasagna. Spinach is done. Place a wok on medium-high heat. Add olive oil, then add chopped onions. So first goes in the carrots. Cover and cook it for 8 to 10 minutes. And then add garlic paste. Mix it well. Season it with salt, cayenne pepper, allspice powder, and give a good mix. Then add zucchini, stir and cook for 5 to 6 minutes covered. Remove lid. Check. Vegetables have become tender but also have crunch. Now add sliced mushrooms along with the beans which are boiled. Stir all vegetables very well and cook them uncovered as mushrooms will release a lot of water. Once it dries and much of the liquid has evaporated, season it with dried basil and salt to taste. Then add broccoli and mix very well. Make sure the size of cut vegetables is same as this helps in cooking them evenly and at same time. Cook on high heat for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring occasionally. Vegetables are done and they look so vibrant and colorful. Keep them aside. For red sauce, heat olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add chopped onion. Saute until onions are translucent. Then add garlic paste. Mix well. Add in chopped tomatoes along with bell peppers. Mix well and cook on medium-high heat for 7 to 8 minutes. Covered. Covering and cooking retains the flavor and will help tomatoes to become softer as well. Open lid and check vegetables are tender. So now we will add tomato puree. You can use store-bought as well. Tomato puree provides body to sauce, so it's important to add it. Add light brown sugar and vinegar. You can also add apple cider vinegar. Adding sweetness and acidity brings out the flavor of the sauce and gives a very good balance too. Simmer the sauce for 15 to 20 minutes until it thickens. Add oregano, basil and salt to taste. As it boils slowly, it will become deep red and also start to thicken. Cover sauce for 5 minutes to retain the beautiful aromas of herbs and spices, and it smells heavenly. Color of the sauce is just perfect. It has thickened as well. Our red sauce is ready. Transfer in a bowl and set aside. Now let's go to white sauce. In a saucepan, melt butter over medium-high heat along with olive oil. Stir in the flour to create a roux. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure not to brown the flour. Keep it light brown. We just need to remove the rawness of the flour. Add in oregano and saute for a minute. Lower the heat to low-medium heat and gradually whisk in milk in batches, ensuring no lumps form. Keep stirring with a whisk while adding milk. Cook until the sauce thickens, stirring constantly. Season with salt, pepper and nutmeg. Cook on low heat till it thickens. Switch off heat and add Parmesan in sauce. Give a very good stir. Consistency of sauce is perfect. It is creamy and has velvety texture. Our white sauce is ready to add its magic to our lasagna layers. Transfer it to a bowl and keep aside. All the elements for our delicious lasagna are ready. So now let's assemble it. In a baking dish, spread a thin layer of red sauce on the bottom. Place a layer of sliced bread over the sauce. Spread sauteed spinach on top of the bread. I love the vibrant color and flavor the spinach adds to this dish. It's a perfect way to sneak in some greens. Pour a layer of white sauce over spinach. Sprinkle mozzarella and cheddar cheese on top. I am keeping this layer of cheese light here, but you can add as much as you would like. Place a layer of bread and spread red sauce over. Spread a layer of sauteed vegetables and sprinkle cheese. Cover it with a layer of bread. Pour flavorful red sauce over, finishing off with a final layer of white sauce and a generous helping of mozzarella and cheddar cheese. Sprinkle Parmesan cheese on top for that extra flavor and the cheesy goodness. Bread lasagna is assembled and it looks great. It's time to bake it. Pop this into a preheated oven. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes until the top is golden and bubbly. Bread lasagna is ready and it smells incredible. It has browned and looks absolutely delish. The layers are perfect and the flavors are about to burst. Slice and serve your delicious bread lasagna with sauteed spinach, delicious vegetables, and the easy goodness. The combination of the red and white sauce is truly scrumptious and comforting. I can't resist taking a bite. It's absolutely delicious. Create a symphony of flavors which is so delightful. Thank you so much for joining me today on Culinary Crossroads. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more delicious content and hit that notification bell so you never miss a recipe. Until then, happy cooking!